Hi, I'm Jacqueline from VictorEric Design+Build.
And I'm Jenna.
Welcome back to our behind the scene video.
Today we are bringing you over to Burnaby where we designed and built this custom Craftsman style home.
Welcome to another VictorEric Premium Home behind the scenes. This is a house that another project that we built for our client with the family just moved back to Vancouver. This house is located in Burnaby. The house square footage is around 4,000 square feet. Come and check it out and see what is inside. And one of the trends that nowadays is very popular is about the step light. As you can see along the stairway, we equal it out evenly for the different step light. And in VictorEric, this is one of our features for that. And now we are in the master bedroom. To appreciate the view, we create this extra large window for the client to enjoy the view while in the master bedroom as well. And the same detail as a great room with the shiplap headboard with the two side lights. And not only that, but come on in. As you can see, we have a gorgeous walk-in closet for the storage to bring in the natural light. We also have the skylight as well.
Welcome to the master ensuite. So we've got the double sink vanity here. The freestanding tub will be situated right here under the window to take advantage of the gorgeous views. This will be the toilet closet, full height glass, a piece of glass to separate the shower, and at the client's request, an extra large shampoo niche.
As for the client request, by the function of their use for the family, there's two young kids, so there's two bedroom right and left. To connect the two bedroom, we create this ensuite.
And here we've designed a small but efficient laundry room on the second floor, incorporating skylight to bring that natural light in and some more beautiful floor tile.
Hope you like the video that we just showed you around this project. If you consider your project that is similar to this one or any other project and want to get more information, contact us at info@victoreric.com.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.